nice seventh. Normally what I do is I take this grid, I throw it exactly into here, and this is a classic, and I've put everything in, so now all I need to do is start solving. Okay, I've got a 9 in my first 3 rows. 9 in the middle, a 9 at the bottom, 9 in box 3 has to go in the top, and in fact, there's only one place for it. I know that's a 9, and I don't have to think about it. Let's see, I've got a 1 here, 1 here. The 1 is in one of 2 places in box 3. Let's see, that's a 9 and 8, that's a 9 and an 8. Nine and an 8 in box 9 must go in the middle. But that can't be 9 and that can't be 8. So 9 is in one of these 2 places. 8 in one of these 2 places. Let's see. I think that's all I can do for the first 3 rows. For columns, I think I've done that. No, 7. I can place in one of 3 places. Also in box 9. So this is 7, 8, or 9. It cannot be any other digit. This is 7 or 8. It cannot be any other digit. This is 7 or 9. But a 2 cannot be any other digit. So my 8s are here, my 7s are here, my 9s. So this is 7, 8, 9 in some order. It means these 4 digits are not 3, 5, 7, 8, or 9. They're 1, 2. These are 1, 2, 4, and 6. In some order. Except that's not 1. And that's not 6. Any of the other ones is still possible. Let's see. These first 3 columns, the only thing I can do is place a 1 actually right there. That doesn't help me with the middle 3 rows. The only thing I can do is an 8, which must be in one of, actually an 8's there. That 8 in the middle, that 8 in the bottom forces this 8 in box 5 to be at the top, but it can't go there because of this 8, and it can't go there because of this given 8. So an 8 must go there. Okay. 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 here. It says these are 1, 2, 4, and 6. Except that's not 1. That's neither 1 nor 6, and this is not 2. Okay, 8, 1, 6, 9. Okay. I'm down to 5 digits left here and 4 digits there. The 5 here are 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 in some order. Whoops. These two, actually these three can be any of them. This can't be 4. This can't be 4 or 7. And neither can that. Oh, that can't be 4 because of the given 4 in the box already. So that's down to 2 candidates. That may or may not help me. Let's see. 235, 235. I feel like one of these is going to be down to 2, 3, or 5, but it isn't. 14789 says 2, 3, 5, 6 here. So these are 2, 3, 5, 6 set, but neither of these can be 6. This is 2, 3, 5, 6, except it can't be 3 or 6, so this is 2 or 5. This one, 2, 3, 5, 6, except not 2. So this can be 3, 5, or 6. Which is somewhat annoying. Okay, 1, 3, 6, 9. These cells. Let's see. I've got a 9 in my middle 3 columns. A 9 in the left, a 9 in the right. So 9 in box 5 must be in the middle because 2 and 8 are taken. It can't go there because of this given 9, so that's actually a 9. Okay, that gives me another digit. That'll help. Potentially with other digit placements. Now I was looking at column 2. 1, 3, 6, 9 are given already, so I think I need 2, 4, 5. 7 and 8. Now, this can't be 2 or 8. This one can't be 2 minus box 4, 7, or 8, actually, because of the row, so that was a 5. Okay, that means that's a 2. So this can't be 2 or 5. And the 8 tells us that can't be an 8 either. Let's see, 2, 5, so these are out. Oh, that can't be 5 because I just placed one, so that's 4 or 7, that's 4 or 7. I've got a 4 or 7 pair in column 2. This is now not 4 or 7 in box 7. That's an 8. Now, that tells us in the bottom 3 rows, I've got an 8 in the middle, an 8 in the bottom, and 8 in box 9 has to go in the top. In fact, we've now placed the 8. So we know this cannot be 8. The only other digit it can be, that's 7, that's 9. Now it feels like we're getting somewhere. So I've got 3 9s, 3 8s, and 3 7s in my right columns. Right? Let's see, is there any other things I have a whole bunch of digits in? Possibly column 6 here. I've got 4, 6, 8, 9 placed. I need 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 in the remaining cells. Whoops. Okay, now, this can't be 1, which we've already ruled out. This can't be 1 or 7, which we've also ruled out. This one is not 1. This one could be 1, but is definitely not 2. And that one's not 7. But it can be a bunch of other digits. Yeah, not sure what else to go on here. Okay, are there any other digits I can place? Possibly an 8 in my left 3. There's an 8, there's an 8. An 8 in box 1 has to be on the right, but it's not there. So that's a given 8. Rather, one I just placed. Let's see, I've got a 2 there and a 2 there. A 2 here has to be, unfortunately, in one of these places. And I haven't ruled one of them out yet. I've got 3 1s, I've got my 2s, I don't have enough 3s. No, I was hoping to get more with that, but I don't think I can. Maybe I do. Okay, 6. 6 here and a 6 here. 6 in column 4 is on the left, 6 in column 6 is on the right, 6 in column 5 has to go in the middle, and in fact it must go there. Okay, row 5 is only missing 3 digits at this point. In fact, 1, 2, 3. These 3 are 1, 2, 3 set, they're the only digits left in row 5. This cell cannot be 1 or 2 because of the box, so that must be 3. This now can't be 3 or 1. That must be 2. That must be 1, which means that's not 1. I had 1 and 2 places in the box here. So in fact, I just placed this 1. Okay. These are not 1. Let's see. In fact, the only place left for 1 in box 9 is there. So that's not 1. Okay, this well combination still is not resolved yet. Say 9, I don't have enough in column 5 to do much. Okay. That's not 1. Let's see, where do I have a lot of digits? Box 4. That must be 4 or 7, so neither of these can be 4 or 7, I think. No, this could still be 4 or 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. These are 4, 7, or 9. There's 3 digits left here. That must be from 4, 7, or 9. That's not 9. That's not 9 either. So in fact, this is down to 4 or 7. That places the 9. I now have a 9 in box 1, I have a 9 in box 4, a 9 in box 7, which can now be placed, because it has to go on the left, but it can't go there or there. I've got 4, 7 here, I've got 4, 7 here, which means neither of these can be 4 or 7. Okay, this is not 7. This can't be 4, so this must be 6. This cannot now not be 6. It must be 2. That must be 4. Okay, I've now got a 4 there, a 4 there. Let's see. All that does is made these easy. I need 2, 3, and 5 into these cells. That's not 2. Both of these, annoyingly, could be anything. Let's see, I got 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, so these are 2, 3, 5, and 6 in some order. These 4 cells are 2, 3, 5, 6. This one can't be 2 or 6, but could be, in fact is, just 3 or 5. This one can't be 2, but it can be anything else. Okay, that's a 3, 5 pair. That means neither of these cells can be 3 or 5, so that's 2. This now cannot be 3 or 5 because of the pair that I just made, so that's 6. Let's see. That's not 2. That's not 2. Let's see. I don't have any 2s to restrict this yet. As for 4, I don't have any 4s to restrict that yet either. Okay, 1, 7, 8, 9 says exactly. Okay, I've got 6 digits here. This one should be relatively easy. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. This is 3, 5, or 7, I think. Can't be anything else. The 1's in the row, 2's in the column, 4's in the box, 6, 8, 9 in the box. Oh. See, that's not 2. There's that. Okay. 3, 5, or 7, 3, 5, or 7. 3, 5, but I don't know which way it goes. Once I get this unwound, that'll at least another 5 digits. Let's see. This is also 3 or 5, isn't it? To complete box 3. So, the 3, 5 pair here, that means these definitively cannot be 3 or 5. That's a 3, 5. That must be 5 or 3, which means this can't be. Does that mean this is 7? I don't know. Okay. I've got 1, 2, 8, 9, so this is 3. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. This one could still be anything. This one, not 6. It can be anything else. That's not 7. But it can be anything else. That one's not 3. But you guessed it, it can be anything else. Annoyingly, I haven't been able to rule out anything else down there. Okay, these cells. 2, 6, 8, 9, and a 4, 7 in a row, so this can't be 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 3 or 5. Complete that row. Because 2, 6, 8, 9 already spoken for. There's a 4, 7 pair here, which means this cannot be 4 or 7. That takes out 6 the digits. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. That leaves 1, 3, or 5, but it can't be 1 now. That makes a 3, 5 pair here, which means this is not 3 or 5. That's a 1. Okay. That gives me 2 1s in the bottom rows. This one has to be in the top, but there's only 2 places left, one of which is ruled out already, so that places a 1 there. Theoretically does mean nothing to help with any of the other digits. I think I've ruled. Let's see, 1, 2, 6, 8, 9. So these are 3, 4, 5, 7 in some order. These digits here. Well, this can't be 3, but it can be any of the other ones. This is 4, 5, or 7. This one, also 4, 5, or 7. Can't be 4 or 7, but it could still be 3 or 5. And this can be anything else. Let's see. 1, 2. This cell cannot be 1, 2, 3. It could be 4 or 5. 1, 2 by box, 3 by column. It could be 4, it could be 5. Cannot be 6 by row. Or 8, 9 by box, but this can still be 7 actually. The 3, 5 pair in the row, 4, 7 pair in the row. Okay. I feel like I need to eliminate 1 digit there, but I'm not able to do that just yet. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. This could be 3, 5, or 7. Yeah, this can still be anything. Okay, 1, 3, 8, 9 is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 down here. Now this can't be 2 or 7. Oh, that's not 3. We say this was 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, that's not 7. Not 5 or 6. Okay, that's not 5. No, that's annoying. Okay, these digits. 1, 6, 8, 9, so this could be 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 in some fashion. I've got 1, 6, 8, 9 in the box and in the column. Let's see. This can't be 7. Can't be 3. Any of the other options are still doable. Okay, and I've now pencil marked the entire grid. Let's see. 2 there and a 2 there. A 2 must go in the bottom, but not there. Let's see. I've got 2 2s in my top rows. The 2 has to go in the bottom. In row 3, and in fact, it has to go there because it can't go anywhere else. So these aren't 2. That's not 2. Let's see, I got 3 1s, I got 3 2s. Let's see, 6s. There's a 6 there and a 6 there. A 6 has to go on the top. That's a 6. So that's not 6. Let's see, that gives me a 6 there and a 6 there. The 6 in the bottom has to go on the right in box 7, so it must go in one of these places. So in fact, that's a 2 6 pair. It can't be any other digit. Not necessarily. I still have not rolled a 2 out of here. I don't have any other 2s placed. Let's see. I've got 1s. I should have enough 8s. I believe I have enough 9s, yep. Just rolled a 6 down to one of 2 places. 2, unfortunately, can still be in one of 3 places. So 6 is definitely here. Well, that's not 6. That's not 6. Eights, I got 2s. I've got 9s, that's annoying. Okay. 4s, let's see. I still can't do anything else. 1, I have enough of. 2, amazingly, can still be in one of 3 places. 3, I don't have enough of. 4, can be in one of 3 places. 5, right columns, I don't have enough to go on. 6, well, it must be in one of these places. Sevens I have enough of, 8s I have enough of, and 9s I have enough of. That doesn't really help me. Okay, let's look at my middle rows. 9 I have enough of, 8 I have enough of. I have no 7s yet. I've got 3 6s, I have no 5s. 4 I only have 1 of. Okay, I should be able to place a 2. I've got 2 2s here. The 2 in column 6 has to go on the right because the left is taken by 4, the middle is taken by 5. So 2 on the right has to go here. Okay. Importantly, oh, this 2 already ruled out that being a 2 anyway. So that's 3 5. I haven't got a digit yet here. Let's see, I got 1s, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8s. I've got 8s. I have 6s. I don't have any 4s yet. But, okay. 4 must go here. Three, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. Can't be 7. 6 must be in one of these places. Uh, 4, 7. Can I do anything else there? Not really. I want to be able to eliminate digits from here, but I don't know that I can do that. Six must go here, and a 6 must go here. Okay, so I've got what they call an X-wing on 6s, because these two are 6, or these two are 6. There's 2 6s either here or here on the diagonals. Anything else would be 2 6s in the same row or column. So I think these are 2 6. So I've got a 2 6 pair here. That should start unwinding things. That's a 4. So that has to be a 7. This can now not be 4 or 7. No, I'm hoping I did this right because that ends up being a 2. Not sure that works, though. If that was a 2, then I'd have 2 places for a 6 here. I don't think I can definitively state yet that these are 2 6. Because that's 4, that's 7, that's 2, and now I've got problems. But I'm not sure what else I have here. I've got 3 5s that don't align right. Okay, let's see what else I can do. I've got 2 3s here. 3 must be in the middle in row 8. Actually, it has to go there. Okay, so these aren't 3. So that's 5. This can't be 3 or 5. And that can't be 5. Okay, that winds a few of these digits down. Okay, that makes this 3, which means this can't be 3 or 5. So that's 7. That can't be 3 or 7. That must be 5. That's now not 5. And neither is that. So that's a 3. That's a... Whoops. That's 7. Okay, that 5 unwinds. That's a 3. That's a 5. That's a 3. That's a 5. That's a 4. This now can't be 4, 5, or 7. That must be a 3. That's not 3. Come on, I gotta be able to do more than this. Maybe not. Still have this ugly stupid digits here. Let's see. I got a 7 in 1 of 2 places. I've got a 4 on one of the same 2 places. Okay, this is still not resolved. That's 4 or 7 because it can't be any of the other digits. I don't have the 7 out of any one of these bottom 3 cells yet. Or 4 for that matter. We know that can't be 5. Okay, this can be just about anything. And so can that. Okay. Let's see. That's 7. That's not 7. Okay, that unwinds this box. That's 4. That's 5. This can't be 4. Okay, that's 2. So these are not 2. Now, a 4-6 pair and a 6 must be in one of those 2 places. Yeah, that tells me absolutely nothing useful. Okay, well, actually, okay, that 2 tells me that's not 2. Whoops. That tells 2 tells me that's not 2. There's a 2 out in one of these places. This can't be 7 or 5. Somewhat annoyingly, it can be anything else. Okay, that 2 actually tells me that's 7. The 2 is only one place left. So that better be a 2, and that better be a 6. Because otherwise I'm in trouble. Okay, that 6 tells me the 6 is down here. Because that can't be a 6, I just placed it. So that's 4. That tells me that's 5. That's 4. 4, 5, that's 7. That can't be 7, that must be 4, so that must be 7. That must be 4. That must be 5, and yay! Well, I didn't make as many mistakes, I'll take it.